During prolonged heavy rainfall in Wales, in the town of Merthyr Tydfil, a 12-metre deep ground collapse occurred on a residential cul-de-sac. As an emergency measure to stabilise the area and prevent further subsidence, the void was backfilled with stone. To support permanent repairs, Ivor King was appointed by principal contractor Edwards Diving Services to deliver a sheet pile cofferdam around the affected zone. Working just centimetres from a residential property, we deployed Giken's Silent Piling system to install 14-metre ArcelorMittal steel sheet piles with zero vibration and ultra-low noise levels. The system presses each pile into the ground using reaction force, ideal for sensitive environments. With its compact footprint and ability to walk along previously installed piles, it's perfectly suited for confined residential sites. With the cofferdam in place, excavation inside the structure can take place to safely allow permanent works. This project demonstrates how specialist techniques and careful planning can deliver low-impact, high-performance solutions, even in the most sensitive residential settings. Ivor King are industry leaders in vibration-free Giken technology, with an extensive fleet of silent piling presses for U, Z and double Z sheet piles. Whatever your piling project, we're your people.